Hello everybody, Gbenga Olatunji here. We started to look at business plan and we had discussed on the vital items that a good business plan should contain. We made mention of the executive summary, we made mention of the technical or the business operation, which is the technical aspect. We may mention that a good business plan must have a forecast, financial forecast. A good business plan must have the product, must talk about your product and services. A good product must talk about, introduce itself to the investor and the public at large. A good business plan must contain information about the management team. So we had earlier mentioned all this, but now we want to major specifically on the executive summary. From GJAMES Associates, Gbenga Olatunji FCA is my name. We had loved that you subscribe to the channel if you are just joining up for the first time. If you are returning and yet to subscribe, please click the notification button to subscribe so that we can be on the same page together and you'll be receiving notification immediately we upload a new video. Let us look at executive summary, content of executive summary in details, and this is a teaser prompting us that we are releasing a video on executive summary.